Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Lollipop charts. Pretty simple, and they can communicate a lot of information. What we're going to do in this case, we're going to bring order date or some other dimension up to the top under the columns. I'm going to come down and change this to, no, that's we want years. And then we're going to bring sales to the rows. It's going to give you a line chart because it's a date. Just come over here to marks, change it to bars. All right. Now that gives us the stem. Now we want the sucker. So what we're going to do is you can press Control, click on the sales, and just drag it over. It'll show up again. So you have two graphs. Now the next down here, we want this to be a circle. This is going to give us that the sucker portion. And we want to put the discount, or actually we want to put the profit on the size. And we'll actually put the profit on the color and the discount on the size. And we want to change this to average discount because we don't want all the discounts adding up for all the different transactions. Now that we have this, we right-click, dual axis, and then right-click again on the right-hand sales. We're going to synchronize the axis so everything gets lined up. We'll go ahead and once again hide the header. And now when you can play with the stem, and you can play with the size. Oops, screwed that up. And what this is telling you is this is the number, this is the sales for each year. You have the average discount is the size, and then the shading, the color, the darker the color, the more profitable the year. Now I did this for another look by store, and it's very interesting. Once again, we have the sales. The size indicates the size of the discount. Look at that. It's the second item there. Average discount, 38%. And then you also see the profit is negative. So, I mean, there's a little correlation there. So the question becomes, the reason we put profit on color is because if in this case we had negative profit, if we put profit on size, the point disappears, which is okay, except that if you have multiple places losing money, you can't tell which one is losing the most money.